Hello, my name is Alan Ivan and my student ID is M008-51040. This is part B of the first assessment on robot manipulation module. The second part of the assessment was requiring to use AutoPath by importing a set file in order to generate a path for the model, and also implementing user interface. After importing the geometry, the set file, and generating AutoPaths for each of the letters as well as the frame, we can now move along the path of each individual letter, M, D, or X, for the whole module. We will perform a demonstration by moving along the path of letter X. Now that we can move along the path of the model, we can synchronize our path, our generated path, with our rapid program. And after doing that, we can observe that our rapid program has been updated with the auto-generated AutoPath targets, robot targets, as well as individual procedures for every letter, as well as the frame. The fragmentation of the model here is essential, as it facilitates a very flexible user interface implementation, as we will see further. The user interface is implemented by prompting the user with two questions, in which the user is able to select the model type, which can be the whole model, the frame, or each individual letter, and also the model source, which can be the existing code or the AutoPath. Can make use of either the existing code or the AutoPath. The FlexPendant UI is implemented with the use of TP-read-FK procedure, which asks the user a question and displays a list of options, list of answer options that the user can select. These options are then processed as integers in test cases. Within the current case, there is a nested test case in which the first question would relate to what model type the user desires to draw. And the second question would be what would be the model source, whether the user wants to use the existing program code or the generated AutoPath code, or the generated AutoPath. This applies whether the user wants to draw the whole frame, the whole model, or an individual letter. We will now perform a demonstration. Move the pointer to main, and we will start a simulation. And we will select letter M, and because we already seen the robot moves along the generated AutoPath, we will select existing code. And we can see the robot performs exactly as directed by the user with the help of the developed user interface. That was all for part B. Thank you for listening. Goodbye now.